Hi, I'm Jonathan, and this is Connecting Vets Hack the VA. Women veterans are missing out on one really big benefit at the VA. And here to tell us what it is Danielle Corazza, who's with the Center for Women Veterans at VA. Danielle, what is the benefit that women veterans aren't using?
They are not using the pre-need certificate with the National Cemetery Administration. So as women veterans, we're eligible to be buried in a national cemetery, and there's a lovely form online that you can go and use to register your needs and wishes, as well as file your eligibility paperwork.
So this will put all your paperwork together, so in the event that you pass away, your family members don't have to look for anything, correct?
Exactly, and your wishes will be registered, and all they have to do when you pass is notify the NCA that you've passed, and they'll access the file.
Can you reserve a burial plot by using this program?
You can't. However, if your spouse or dependent child passes before you and you choose to have them buried at one of the NCA sites, they will reserve that spot for you when you pass.
Why do you think that women veterans aren't using this service?
You know, we live a lot longer than our spouses, and so I think if your spouse passes first and you bury them in your community, you'd want to be buried with them. So we're hoping to get the word out so that women vets know they too are eligible to have their spouse buried in their plot in a national cemetery.
Awesome. And for women veterans who want to find more information about women veterans, where should they go?
www.va.gov/womenvet.
Thank you for joining us, Danielle.
Thanks for having me.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel.